I'm Apple, A-P-P-L-E. I'm crunchy and juicy, and I come in lots of colors like red, green, and yellow. I'm great for snacks or making yummy pies.
Hi kids, I'm Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A. I'm long and yellow and sometimes even green. You can eat me on my own or slice me up to put on cereal or in a smoothie.
Hi kids, I'm Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. I'm round and orange, of course. I'm full of vitamin C and taste super sweet. You can drink my juice or eat me in slices.
Hi kids, I'm Grape, G-R-A-P-E. I come in bunches and I'm either green or purple. I'm perfect for snacks, or you can freeze me for a cool treat on a hot day.
Hi kids, I'm Strawberry, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. I'm red and heart-shaped, and I'm super sweet. You can eat me fresh, put me in a smoothie, or even dip me in chocolate. Hi kids, I'm Pineapple, P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. I'm prickly on the outside but sweet on the inside. I'm great for snacks, fruit salads, or even as a topping on pizza. Hi kids, I'm Mango, M-A-N-G-O. I'm tropical and juicy with a sweet and tangy flavor. You can eat me fresh, blend me into smoothies, or make yummy mango salsa. Hey kids, I'm Watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. I'm big, green on the outside, and red on the inside. I'm perfect for picnics, and I'll keep you cool and refreshed on a hot day. Hi kids, I'm Kiwi, K-I-W-I. I'm small, brown, and fuzzy on the outside, but bright green on the inside with black seeds. I'm tangy and delicious, and you can eat me with a spoon.
These fruits are delicious and nutritious treats for kids to enjoy.